So, hey everyone, and I'm back with my new model kit, the 8.8 of 88mm gun flak 36-37. So it's the 88 flak with 9 figures and a motorcycle. This one right here. It's an old kit, but still good enough for me. So yes, let's open it up. So the first thing in there is an English manual with some historical background about the flag. And yes, just a plan. A Chinese or Japanese manual. It also includes a lot of stickers. I have a lot of options. I'll show you that in a second. And this thing are also some building steps for the updated parts. So it's an old kit, but some parts have been updated, so that's what this is for. Then here we have the 9 figures with accessories. As you can see, they are old and almost in one piece. But I think I'll make something nice out of this. And then the next is just some pieces. Here you see the gun. Yes. Yeah, some shells too. And yeah, some rubber wires and some screws. And I need to open this up. So this is, it's real rubber, but it's kind of stiff, very stiff. So 8 rubber wheels, and then this, yeah. And then the last piece is this one with another figure, the motorcycle, the platform, and the 3-round magazines. It's a flak cannon, but it can also be used as an anti-tank. So just going to put everything back. I'm going to show you what these stickers are for. So I need the English manual. No, that's the Chinese one. Yeah, the English one. So in front there's information of the gun, and just the manual. Then here you have information about how to paint, about the camo, how they painted it in real life. Then you have information about the decals. So you can choose to paint all the men as Luftwaffe artilleryman or Reichswehr artilleryman. And here you can see the different options. These are for Reichswehr, the Waffen SS, and the Luftwaffe. And here you can see them. Going to zoom in. So here you can see the decals. They are on the helmets, and then you also have these stripes right here. These are, I'll say this kill marks, how many kills this crew has got. Then a mark of shooting position, A, B, C, D, and a symbol mark. I think you can choose the symbol marks too. And they also include some marks to stick on the half track that pulls this thing. It's not included the half track, but you can choose. And here are all the optional marks. So Eastern Front, Italian Front, Normandy, and North Africa. And you all get them here. So that's very nice to get this. So yes, that was this, and I will be building the 8.8 centimeter flak very soon. So hopefully see you next time.